Overcoming adversity, Stoic strategies. In the silent depths of adversity, when life presses its weight upon us, a question lingers: will we succumb or rise above? The ancients who walked this path before us, Seneca, Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, found a way to endure the storms of existence with unyielding strength. Their guidance, though veiled in the folds of time, remains as vital today as it was in their age. Let us then journey into their wisdom and discover how to transcend the challenges that test our fortitude. Understanding adversity, the unshakable truth. Fate leads the willing and drags along the reluctant, said Seneca. This is no mere poetic musing. It is the Stoics' acceptance of reality. Adversity is not an anomaly, but an inherent part of life. To resist this truth is to invite suffering. To embrace it is to find liberation. We do not control the winds, but we can command our sails. This is the essence of Stoicism. The understanding that while the external world is often beyond our grasp, our inner response is entirely within our power. It is here, in the realm of our perceptions and choices, that we can transform adversity into a crucible for growth. The art of emotional mastery. Anger, fear, despair, these are the destructive emotions that adversity awakens within us. Left unchecked, they consume our clarity and chain us to misery. The Stoics teach us to confront these emotions not with denial, but with discipline. Epictetus reminds us, it is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. When anger flares, we pause. When fear rises, we question its validity. When despair looms, we anchor ourselves in the present moment. This deliberate practice is not easy, but it is the path to mastery over the self. Premeditatio malorum, anticipating hardship. Imagine for a moment the worst that could happen. To some, this may seem morbid, but to the Stoic, it is a shield. The practice of premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils, prepares us for life's uncertainties. By envisioning potential challenges, we strip them of their power to surprise and overwhelm us. Marcus Aurelius himself engaged in this exercise, writing, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." In visualizing adversity, we do not dwell on fear, but cultivate resilience. Turning adversity into opportunity. Every hardship, no matter how dire, holds within it the seed of opportunity. The Stoics urge us to view adversity not as an obstacle, but as a chance to practice virtue. Courage, patience, wisdom, and temperance, these are the tools we sharpen in the face of difficulty. Consider the story of Epictetus. Born a slave, he endured physical abuse, and yet rose to become one of the most revered philosophers of antiquity. His life is a testament to the Stoic belief that external circumstances cannot dictate the strength of our character. The power of perspective. We suffer more in imagination than in reality, Seneca observed. Often it is not the event itself, but our perception of it that causes pain. By reframing our perspective, we reclaim our power. When faced with adversity, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow? What virtue can I practice? These questions shift our focus from victimhood to agency, from despair to determination. Community and shared strength. While Stoicism emphasizes individual resilience, it does not advocate isolation. We are not alone in our struggles. The Stoic community, both ancient and modern, reminds us of our shared humanity. Together we can uplift one another, drawing strength from the collective wisdom of those who walk the same path. Conclusion. The call to courage adversity is life's constant companion, but it is also our greatest teacher. The Stoics challenge us to face it not with fear, but with fortitude, not with resistance, but with resolve. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Let us then embrace the trials that come our way. Let us strive for mastery over ourselves and find within the darkness a light that guides us forward. This is the Stoic path. This is our path.